In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Acrobat Reader not opening. If Acrobat refuses to launch, don't worry, this walkthrough will guide you through 3 reliable fixes. Moving from quick resets to a built-in repair, all without adding anything complicated. First, we'll make sure Acrobat isn't stuck in the background. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift and Escape together. If that shortcut doesn't work for you, you can also right-click an empty area of the taskbar and choose Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for anything with Adobe or Acrobat in the name. Select each one and choose End Task. This simply closes background processes. It won't delete any files or uninstall anything. Once everything Adobe-related is ended, try opening Acrobat again. If it launches, you are set. If it still doesn't open, move on to the next fix. Next, try running Acrobat with elevated permissions. Find the Adobe Acrobat shortcut on your desktop in your Start menu, or by searching for it in the Start search bar. Right-click it, then choose Run as Administrator. If you see a prompt asking for permission, click Yes. Running as administrator can clear permission-related hiccups and help Acrobat complete pending updates on first launch. If it opens successfully this way, you can continue using it normally afterward. If it still won't open, let's repair the installation. For the repair, open Control Panel. The quickest way is to press the Windows key. Type Control Panel and open it from the results. Go to Programs, then Programs and Features. Find Adobe Acrobat in the list of installed programs. Click it once to select it, then choose Repair. On some systems you may see a Change button first. Click that. Then select Repair. Follow the on-screen prompts. This process checks for missing or corrupted program files and restores them, which often resolves stubborn launch issues. It may take a few minutes, and you'll want to keep other Adobe apps closed while it runs. When the repair completes, try launching Acrobat again from your usual shortcut. These 3 actions ending background processes, running as administrator, and repairing the installation resolve the vast majority of cases where Acrobat won't open. Take your time with each step, and test the app after each change so you know what fixed it. If it opens, you are good to go. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.